Did you know, just like fingerprints, the tooth prints are also unique to each individual? Hey, this is Dr. Ankita Vaidhi, periodontist from Bangalore. Today I'll be discussing about how to take care of your child's oral hygiene at different ages of life till the permanent teeth erupts. Before discussing this topic, it is important to know that the mother's oral hygiene is important right from the period when they are pregnant, because the pregnant women are more prone to have gum disease and cavities which might affect your child's teeth. So maintain a good oral hygiene by brushing, flossing and also visiting your dentist before you deliver the baby. So once a baby is born, it takes around 6 months for the first tooth to come in the mouth. Till then, we need to keep the mouth clean by wiping the gums with a soft, clean and wet cloth after every feeding and remove all the bacteria and sugars which might cause cavities. Nowadays, there are various mouth wipes available online, so you can also use them. When the tooth first comes in the mouth at the age of around 6 months, we can start brushing the child's teeth twice daily with the help of a small soft bristle toothbrush and plain water. Nowadays, a finger toothbrush is also available and we can use them when the child has one or few teeth in their mouth. A lot of children have decay below the age of 3 years, especially in the upper front region of the jaw. So this is something called as baby bottle decay, and this happens when your child is drinking milk or juices through the feeding bottles for a quite long period of time and even falling asleep with the bottles inside the mouth. This is very dangerous to the child's teeth because the sugars which are present in the milk and juices, they are exposed to the tooth for a quite long period of time and thus causing decay. That is the reason I would always suggest the parents to take away the bottles, the feeding bottles, away from the child's mouth as soon as they finish drinking the milk or juices to prevent this baby bottle decay. Apart from maintaining a good oral hygiene and good feeding practices at home, make sure that you plan your child's first dental visit as soon as the first teeth is visible in the mouth, so that your dentist can spot the sign of problem at a very early stage, if any. As the kids grow, their oral hygiene practices should also grow with them. So for the children younger than 2 years of age, you can consult your dentist regarding the use of fluoridated toothpaste. So children at this age can brush their teeth twice daily with the help of a soft bristle toothbrush and a fluoridated toothpaste. Children at this age usually don't know to spit properly, so make sure that your child is not swallowing the fluoridated toothpaste, which can lead to some complications. So make sure that you are using the paste not more than the size of a rice grain. You can also introduce your child to flossing, which will help them build good habit and help the child to brush and floss the teeth and remind them to pay attention to the back teeth as well. There are various colorful and cartoon-inspired toothbrushes available in the market. Some manufacturers have installed timers in their toothbrush to help motivate the child to brush their teeth completely for 2 minutes. And also there are some interesting and colorful toothbrush holders also available in the market. So when you use all these kinds of things, your child's experience of brushing becomes more fun and interesting. For children aged between 2 to 6 years, the parents should encourage their child to brush their teeth on their own. Make sure that the child is using only a pea-sized amount of toothpaste and spit it completely rather than swallow it. Parents should help their child in brushing the teeth until the child acquires a fair good amount of brushing skills. The supervision should be done till the age of 8 years of your child. Now coming on to the oral hygiene practices of preteens. As children grow older, more of the permanent teeth come in. However, it is difficult to keep your preteens interested in the oral care anymore. So here are a few tips to keep your child on track. Preteens are more conscious about their looks and appearances. Remind them that a good oral care can help them look and feel better. Remind them that brushing the teeth twice daily for 2 minutes will give them the confidence of having a fresh breath. Flossing is important at this stage. It helps to keep the mouth fresh. You can also introduce them to power brushes, which makes their brushing experience more fun. Encourage your children who are playing sports to wear mouth guards so that the teeth are protected from injuries. With this, I come to an end. I hope you have liked this video. If you want me to talk on any particular topic regarding your child's teeth, do let me know in the comments section. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay happy.